truck driver pulled up, I told him, I was like, hey man, you know, I was like, you know, I apologize. You know, I clearly made a bad decision here. Like I should have just waited. I got impatient, you know, and I told him, I was like, I apologize. You know, I will pay you for the fee. I will pay you an extra, you know, $500 or whatever, just to basically make everything fair, and we'll call it a day. The tow truck driver actually agreed with me. He was fine. But the problem is the fucking cops, the sheriffs pulled up and like they wanted to arrest somebody. They were excited. Like they fucking pulled up, guns pulled out. Like they were ready to get somebody. And even the tow truck driver said, they're like, well, we're not pressing charges. But the state of Florida still arrested me because, you know, I basically got caught stealing my own fucking truck. So, and then the second time I got arrested was because somebody basically accused me of jumping on the hood of their car. So very simply, you can Google this as well. I don't have to seal my documents or change my name. And like I said before, like I would never change my name. Like even if I got arrested for the most insane shit ever, which I'm not like, I don't have any reason to get arrested for the most insane shit ever, but like either way, I'm not changing my name. Like I never would. I don't care. I'll either fucking go to jail for the rest of my life with that name, or I'll fucking, you know, just go live in the woods. But I don't need to change my name to hide my past. So just putting that out there. But I did get arrested for basically road rage. So this guy, he's in a Tesla. It's always the fucking Tesla drivers. The Tesla driver is riding my ass, like really just fucking riding my ass. You know, and I'm talking about my car, not my actual ass, you weirdos. So the Tesla driver is like right behind me. He's right on my ass, and I brake check him, you know, because I'm like, bro, what the fuck? So then he goes around me, pulls up around me, like goes around me, and then gets in front of me and brake checks me. But like he really like brake checks me fucking hard, so almost causes an accident. And then we pull up to a stoplight, and he starts like talking shit. He's fucking blah, 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 blah. So I'm an idiot. I'll admit it. I made a bad choice. I got out of the car, which I don't know why. I just was like, the guy was talking and talking, and I got out of the car, and I was like, what the fuck you gonna do? The fuck? And I said, you know, like, what the fuck you gonna do? And then the best part is the guy then hits me with his car. He literally runs into me. My body like fucking bounces off the side of his car and dents the side of his car because he fucking hit me with his car. And by the way, there is no Tesla video of this happening, by the way, you know. So somehow, magically, this whole incident was corrupted. The video file was corrupted, by the way. I talked to multiple people that have Teslas, and nobody said this ever happens. But supposedly, the video of me jumping on the hood of the car wasn't, you know, it doesn't exist. So basically that all happened. The guy took off. He called the cops later on. I was already gone. So at that point, I just fucking went on my day. And then later on, I get arrested for a fucking charge that I had no idea about, which was a felony fucking criminal mischief. So in Florida, if you do damage to property over $1,000, it's classified as criminal mischief, which can be a felony over $1,000. So there was like $1,500 worth of damage to his car, which I paid for, by the way. All right, so I had to pay for that. And then I basically had to take a plea. You know, I had to literally take a fucking plea because it's just like, I'm not going to go to court and waste all this fucking time and risk the idea of getting charged with a felony. So I ended up doing 9 months of probation, and did my community service, got done with it, and it's all there for anybody that wants to check it out. So, but yeah, that was fun. Like I said, it definitely, like, I'm not going to say I was in the right by any means. I made a bad choice. Like, I should never have gotten out of the car. It was stupid. It was dumb. I don't know why I got out of the car. The guy was just like screaming and yelling, and I got out of the car because I thought like, oh, you want to fight, you know, or whatever. But it, like, again, like I made a bad choice, and I had to pay the price. All right, NASDAQ pulling right back. The chop is real. It's FOMC day, both the ES and the NASDAQ. Hopefully our short friend is still holding his short that he's been adding to all morning, because maybe it's going to pull back and he might be in the green again. Right now it's 11:17 in the morning, and I've already said enough things on the internet to give people enough content to make videos about me for the next couple years. So there it is. Look at this thing, really dumping right now. NASDAQ right back into the 15-minute range. I'm happy with that. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to take my profit, and I'll be back here tomorrow morning for Thirsty Thursdays. That's right.
Wealthfront offers a cash account that has one of the highest interest rates on the market.
If I send my money,
Just doing some shits. Top Step might be in longs, actually. I don't know what Top Step is doing. Maybe they're in shorts already. We want 50, 55 though. Not 50s. Chasing a little bit here. This could bounce back up on us, but this looks so fucking stupid bearish. Maybe just go straight to the TP. Holy shit, we are at 270. This is major support right now for the day on the 15. So we'll actually exit right there. Yeah, we just swept this level right here. We're gonna wait a second on these shorts. I didn't look at the 15. Look at this. Boom, all the bodies right there. Besides fucking giant wicks from fucking who knows what. All the bodies just ended right there. We just swept that. Now we're bouncing back up. Just a little bit. Shorts are probably still good for it though. I like our 55 TP, but I want to see how big this bounces. Oh my god, it's just going straight there. Shit. Bailed way too early. Need to get a little more juiced up. Yeah, this is an impressive dump. Nothing is going to dump this fucking hard. Bouncing right off our 255. New 5 minutes. Still pushing. Approaching a very fucking bullish order block right here, though. Still dummy bearish. PDL at 45. It's also where we wicked down to last time, 47, 45-ish. That dump saved me. Was down bad. Nice. He's looking pretty good, especially when you could put in a live and withdraw daily. Yeah, I'm just wondering if this is my live account here. But Perdia, I like Perdia. I mean, we could withdraw like 3K right now if we wanted to. Perdia is solid. And their CEO is like a risk manager for you too. Pretty funny. I'm about to knife catch this shit again at 47. Probably not the best idea, but doesn't sound too bad. Maybe we don't counter trend trade. This is a huge bearish order block, though. Bullish order block. 47. We didn't get there, though. Stopped right at 50. Directly at 50. I wonder how high this could pump. Still think we got to clear that 47. Green 690, I'm done for the day, man. Nice shit. Mullah 4X channel. They're noting under NYAM might be crazy, under 22, 210. Ooh, look at that 15-minute. We made a lower high. So this shit is going down. How slowly learning not to counter trend trade. Slowly. Very, very slowly. Yeah, I mean, that was bearish engulfing like a mother. And we can go down to what? 206 here. Another 50 points. And we're hitting so many fucking key levels right now, though. I mean, it's got to hit 47, though. I think it's got to hit 47 for fucking... And it pretty much did, though. It's close enough. $47 is just such a key level. I think we might just need to short it to 47 here for a quickie. Let's try it. Let's go for 47. It's only like 10 points, though. We're going to add at 69. $47's our TP. It's just a little bit of a sweep. It's really nothing.
Order filled.
Kind of chasing a little bit. I think we expect a bounce, but I don't think it's going to be that big. Add more at 69. We could just add more right there. Let's just get insta stopped again. We're trading like dog shit. Okay, fine. We're playing 21-day EMA. V-shape recovery. V-shape recovery, maybe? Shit, we're digging ourselves a little hole here, boys. Top step is still in. Fucking. Oh, nope. Not removed. I've had 3 losers in a row right now. That's okay, though. Well, short 86. What a fucking wick on that 15, though. I think we did this yesterday, too. We shorted, like, the bottom, the very bottom. Okay, this looks like a good spot to start averaging in. Then we get another one at 87. Then we'll go for the cliff skeets too, because I don't think this is done dumping. We're not gonna get our ad, possibly. No, we might get it. I sent the purchase. Someone also picked it up beforehand. Damn, he's getting cooked. I think you should not short. I think we're going off the cliff skeet. I think we just got to sweep that 21-day EMA. We'll get our last fill, full position. And then we'll get the cliff skeet. Let's get a sweep of that pivot point. Don't just blast through it. Just a little sweep. Take 22,300. That's where my stop is.
Stop filled.
Really could pump all the way up there. Let's go like 308. We'll add our last time at 300. The wick on that 15 though, holy fuck, this just got bullish. This is that knife catch we were looking for. Shit, we're getting roasted medium well here. For the last ad. It's right at our stop. Move our stop up just a little bit. Add our last one. Let's see if we get the dump skeet. $40 seconds till the next 5, though. Jeez Louise. I think we get stopped out again, too. Yeah, we're doing pretty consistently terrible right now. It's not good. It's okay. We'll make it out alive, boys. I think this is where we short now, right? Let's just try to get one little W on the fucking board. So far, we've had, what, 3, 4 losers in a row? Whatever this pullback is, we're just going to take the profit. We're gonna slowly creep out of this fucking hole we just dug ourselves in. It's so fucking bad. Got our new 15-minute opening up.
Order filled.
It's curling, so we'll add. Let's see how far this dumps right here. We'll probably just take profit if it doesn't hit our TP. Add more on your stop. Short now, yeah. This is the spot to short, Got that bullish engulfing out of the way. I think we'll just take our TP too. Kind of do want to add more. We could also go for a bigger TP if we wanted to. The full fucking cleanse of this pump. I don't want to add more, but I kind of don't. Our TP is right on a pivot point on the 5, so we'll just take that. Traditional patterns out the window today, wick both ways, so. Yeah, it's FOMC day, so today's gonna be fucking wicky as fuck. Got a little bull flag forming here too. I think this dumps down a bit. At least a little bit. But who knows? It might just pump up to fucking that 57 that we've been looking for. I don't think so, though. It's looking bullish. Especially on the 1 minute. Probably not going to add here. Look at FBG's imbalance. You haven't retraced. If you look, we have to at least until 320 to retrace. And we could potentially make a down move. 320. Yeah, makes sense. Let's see how far down this goes. Might just get down to like 295. Probably just start scalping our way back up. So we got cooked fucking instantly so many times. I wouldn't be surprised if this got pumped and this just fucking retraced the whole thing. We do have our new 5-minute opening up already, though. Yeah, close enough to that 320, right? What sizing are you trading? We're trading micros. We have eight micros right now in this trade. We did go up to 12 for one trade that just kind of cooked us. Pretty well done. There's a 320. Looks like it's just gonna blast through it, but we'll add just in case it doesn't. We're gonna try playing this chop. It's a little range before FOMC. Long 06, stop 02. Stop E now, 26.36. Thanks for the inverse trades, bud. No. Stop at 19. Might not get our feel. It's okay. If it wants to go to our TP, that's fine with me. Without the ad. Been bearish, yeah. Yeah, besides this rip up. What we do just go lower today. We'll just be taking short scalps here. Damn, we are semi-cooked. That's okay. Not too bad. Looking like it wants to hold bullish, huh? More than likely it goes in the range, though. Breakout to the upside would be wild. Hopefully it doesn't just rip to our stop here. There's a good chance it does, but hopefully not. This is a day open right here, 309-ish. Our entry is basically a day open. The props account doesn't make a dent. My live account is down 1,300 right now, too. This looks like he wants to hold bullish. Jesus. So he's about to shoot up. I just might. Try to TP like 91 for the pullback. For a little bit of a win. This looks like it's a straight up curl, huh? On the 1 minute. I don't know if our ad's a good idea. And we'll just take that off. Take the L if it hits the stop. It'll be 4 L's in a row. Not be good. I want to get one little W. Even if it's just a little one, I want a W. Was that 320? No, still didn't hit that 320. About to. I did hit that 320. Chopping upwards right now. Might just fucking rockets. Hey, my baby. I don't think we've seen green on any single trade we've taken. Today's just not been good for us so far. Cooked again. You think so? Think this keeps on pumping? It is holding the uptrend. I think a pullback is in order, right? I think it's gonna chop around here until FOMC, to be honest. Gold, no, NASDAQ. Thanks for the sub, Joanne Mesa and Andreas J. Correa. Cora. What a fucking drop and what a bounce back up. Jesus. We just ate it on most of the big moves. Wonder if there's going to be any more. $40 seconds till the next 5. Closing doji. Getting close to closing doji. Might need one last pop up before we go down a little bit. Back into the range. It's PPP. So that's what it's targeting, which is where our stop is too. Here's the next 5. See if we can fucking cliff it. Give us the fucking cliff. New 15 too. Get a bearish engulfing. No, I'm probably gonna get stopped. Holding that 20s right now though. Could try adding here. We're counter trend trading now. Trend is up. Fuck it, we'll add. Let's see if we can get this drop skeets. Going for 91s. Slow crawl up. Looks like she's gonna pump. Can she get denied? Just watching here, yeah. That's probably a good idea just to watch. But we're already in it. Let's see if we get this bearish engulfing right here real quick for a pullback into the range. Probably should only be targeting 301, but I think we can get a bigger pullback. Upward chop. See how low she can go. 300s is going to be big supports. 21-day EMA getting swept. Can we just get a fucking cliff? Or is it just a lick sweep right there for the 21-day? Targeting this pivot right here from earlier. We can get this one little W, and we could start our comeback. Looks like it might have just been a lick sweep for the 21-day EMA. Slowly crawl up. Possibly. We have been seeing quite a few cliffs. Quite a few cliffs. Can we get the push? Can we get the push? Watching it under 301. Yeah, I think 300s are going to be major fucking supports. But we're looking for a little bit of a sweep of it. Could just exit out early too if it stalls out at 300s. But I'm pretty sure this is our range for the day. We're just going to play inside here. Maybe even break down lower. But right now I just want like a little W. So every single trade we haven't seen green. This is like our first trade where we're actually seeing some green. $96 would probably be the better TP though. Yeah, let's try 96. just in case. Oh man, we're bullish. About to get stopped out. Pull back into a fucking mega green dildo. Can't you break out higher right now though? Can't you do it? Looks like she can. We might be cooked. Just might be cooked. The wicks are so bullish on the 15. Can they switch it up? Already got our cliff out of the way. Can we cliff it again? Had multiple cliffs today, so yeah. Seems to be the trend. Bounce back up, rip it back down. Might even go all the way up to 354. Don't think it's gonna clip right now. Ah, shit. Doesn't look horrible for the pullback to 300, so we'll stick with it. Sweeping those London highs does seem pretty likely. Does seem pretty likely, but so does a 300 sweep. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Pull back right to the 21-day EMA. It's a bullish engulfing. True day open at 335. Cooked. So close to our stop. About to get cooked. Just swept the PPP. That's 4 L's in a row. Then we give it one more shot. And if we take another L, I think we just call it for the day. Every single trade we've had has been a loser today. Thinking long, but we'll range, I think. Yeah, I think it'll range too. That's 1500. It's not too bad. I think maybe we play this little range right here instead of going for bigger TPs. It looks like it's creeping up, like it's ready for a breakout. Rejecting the PPP. Literally top ticked our stop loss. We're just gonna start scalping. I think we missed our big moves here. Now I think it just chops. But it fucking does look like it's pretty prime for the breakout, huh? Do-do-do-do-do. Scalp 500 lotties. Trade another day. Cal keeps rocking, man. LFG. Breaker router is cheaper to spend $50 than another 5K loss. Yeah, not worried about it, dude. We did get top tick though, so that's kind of bullshit. Why don't you go straight to our fucking TP now, too? Holding the 21-day EMA. This might be our long scalp right here. Let's go for it. For little scalps. Might be where it breaks out actually, but we'll just take the little scalps. Once this is just where it goes to our fucking other TP, we get top ticked and it goes straight to the TP. I wouldn't be surprised. Broke the 21-day. It was supposed to hold. Holy fuck. Just insta losses immediately. Okay, we gotta dial in. We're getting pretty fucking red here. That kind of pisses me off. That right there, that pisses me off. But it's okay. Don't really have anything going for us here. VWAP at 302. Bouncing off of VWAP. This probably would be the long entry. We wait for the sweep of 300s. Just like we thought with our original plan before we got top ticked. New 15-minute and 2 minutes. You're actually the goat of inverse? Yeah, apparently. Yeah, still getting cooked. Yeah. Stay short above highs. Did you lock in the Tradeify payout? No. Might get another low sweep. Yeah, I mean, our original plan was good. We just got top ticked, literally to the tick. Some bullshit. That would have been our TP right there. Oh, now 296 is what we were going for. I think this is bearish accumulation. I don't think we're going up. I still think we go off the fucking cliff here. But I'm not going to short right here. We got our sweep already. I'll just wait for FOMC. I'm not going to trade FOMC. It's top of the hour right now, though. Should see some kind of move here. Thinking it's bearish. 1 second. Bearish or bullish? Bounce off the 300s. Go right back up, maybe. Let's give it a shot. Got our sweep. Looking for those highs. Now we got the low sweep. We could go all the way up to 50s. Might actually go for the bigger TP. Get ourselves uncooked here. Like right there, 338. I think that'll be solid. But it's starting to look bearish. I do think it is a bearish day, but could be wrong. New 15-minute. Bounced off of major supports. Gotta assume there's that 96 TP from our short that we got top ticked at. Right to the 96. That's pretty funny. Man, is it just gonna go off the clip though? Can we get that bounce back up? Get that range going, boys. Well, we're technically looking for a breakout of the range, which I think we can possibly get. We target 50s. Could just go off the fucking cliff though. Did drop? No, don't say drop. Don't say drop. We have to make new high, lots of selling showing. Careful. Oh god. I do think it's a bearish day too. The range is so likely, right? Maybe not this breakout, but top of the range, maybe. Home guide. Should we just take her 200? No, I think this is where it breaks out. A bit bearish on the day, but price action, I mean, it seems bullish. Could have easily been the lick sweep to fucking take us lower right here, though. Let me go into another cliff. This is kind of cliff dive formation, isn't it? Can they hold it? Can they hold it? Really does look like a cliff. It's at a major support level. Maybe they could hold it. Just maybe. Just maybe. Five-minute looks bearish though, huh? Look for 10 to 15 point scalps right now. Yeah, but we've been consolidating for a while, so it should break out some direction, right? Unless it just fucking consolidates all the way up until FOMC, but I don't know, we're looking for 50 points right now. Seems far-fetched, but not really too far-fetched. They're holding the major support levels, so I don't see why we can't just fucking break out of here. Sellers couldn't push us down. The range is always more likely. That is the one problema we have here. 7 minutes left on the 15. It could be bullish engulfing. Already had the wick down for the lick sweep. Now why can't it get to 350? $327 could also be a TP. Want to just play the range? Let's see. Let's see what it does up there. If anything, we TP early. If not, then we get the fucking runner. Straight to 350, which is our high of day. Our high of New York. $320 is prior day VWAP. It looks like it's gonna fucking break out. It looks like it's. Let's see what happens at 320. Rejection at 320, yeah. Not even at 320. Right before it. Add over PP. I'm probably not going to add any more to this, to be honest. We'll just see if it runs or if it's going to range. Got a doji on the 5. It's not good. Only 21-day EMA. Chances are this goes off the cliff, though. Is it gonna clip again? Very well could. Still holding. Still holding our, or he's using our entry as support, so that's nice. Let's see if we get a runner. Tesla looks like a failed breakout. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, Tesla got rejected. Tesla's gonna dump. SenQ gonna dump. Does look somewhat bearish on the 5 minutes. Yeah. Another low sweep. Ah, shit. Might actually go off the cliff this time. Let's see if it holds. We have a mega wick on the 15, which tells me this is possibly bullish. Just gonna fuck around for a while. Overall trend of the day is bearish. Should have just swept that low again. Might be clip time. Bearish engulfing on the 5. Still gonna hit the top of the range though. Mm. It's moving in waves for a downtrend. Will we get like a massive fucking bullish, fucking just crazy ass dildo though, since it's been fucking accumulating for so long? Already swept the lows. There's a new 15. At a 2 15-minute candle pullback. Assuming this one's going to be bullish engulfing. I've been accumulating here for so long. Just if I was a degen, I would add right now. I am a degen. The cliff dive looks so fucking possible. So we'll play it safe. Came up, tap support for the next leg down. This might be an insta stop loss right here. Getting ready for the cliff. Or it's a bull flag. Oh, yeah, let's go with my favorite TikTok trader. LG. Even though I haven't posted on TikTok in forever.
You told your viewer how your customers see you do your profile.
Yeah. Apparently, I viewed my own profile. It's really just some fucking scammer pretending to be me. Gotta love them Indian scammers. Pakistani, whatever the fuck they are. Always trying to fucking scam people. Always trying to scam. Do you have any TBT accounts? No, I blew those. Some reports saying Dow made history for 8 straight red days. It's been bearish. Oh, God. But NQ, tech sector, stupid strong. Might not be today that it's super strong. Might not be. Probably should be scalping this though. This is a hell of a range. It's holding our short-term downtrend right now on the 5. I think it's a bull flag, not a downtrend. See if we can get the breakouts. If this trade hits, I think we go break even. Yes, lifting, you might be okay. I love G. What happened to 2 to 4 micros, my guy? It's too slow for you. No, I usually start out with 4. But then if it looks like a good trade, I'll add. Today I was doing dumb shit. So yeah, we got ourselves a little bit of a hole, but nothing we can't get out of. Especially if I eat some of these leaves. Okay, approaching previous day's VWAP again. We were range traders, be TP here. But the bullish engulfing is looking good. Let's see if we can make a runner. Looking for a breakout above 27 too. I mean, it doesn't look bad for it, but the range is just more likely, right? But it could be breakout time. Could be. We're just gonna go right off the fucking cliff now. Lost 150, now up 650, done for the day. Good shit, outsiders. Good fucking shit, man. Yeah, I wish we would have caught that short right there. I did not think that pullback was gonna be that big. Or not pullback, it was just a fucking cliff. Funny. We gonna barcode some more, or are we gonna fucking break out here, boys? Tesla's still falling. That's not a good sign. But NQ's getting a little bit bullish, so maybe doesn't give a fuck about Tesla. ES breaking highs. ES is ripping. Oh no, it's not breaking highs. Almost breaking highs. Getting close to them. Let's see if NQ will follow
Order filled.
suit. Will NQ follow suit? Crypto's a little bit bearish today too. This looks good for the breakout, right? Well, looks pretty good. It's a plan for FOMC. Tony's using that copier during Powell press conference. I have a rule every time Powell speaks, I lose money. No, I don't think we're gonna be trading FOMC. Maybe we will, but I know there's rules for some of the props about trading news, so I don't know. I don't know if we will. I don't want to risk breaking some rules. But we're approaching the double top. Let's see if we're bullish enough to break out of it. Could take our 400 too, but this breakout would be really, really nice to catch.
Order filled.
Smack above that PPP. Smack above it. Rip it. Rip it higher. What's the pivot indicator name? Which pivot? This mofo's gonna run. Let's go. Market is 98.8% sure that 0.25 basis points. If it doesn't come, market will go ape shit. Ape shit as in bullish or bearish? I think if ES drops below 41s, we'll probably see